Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi and today's topic is about the nervous system. The nervous system is a complex network that enables to communications and the coordinations within the human body. It's divided into two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the consist of the brain and the spinal cord. Its main control the central of the body, responsible for the processing information, making decisions and sending out the commands. First one is the brain. The brain is the most intricate part of the nervous system. It's divided into the various regions, each responsible for the different functions such as the sensory prescri- uh, perceptions and motor control, memory, emotions, and more. Second one is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a bundle of nerves that runs down the vertebral columns. It serves as a pathway for the transmitted signals between the brain and the rest of the body. It also play a role in a reflex action, which are quick and involuntary response to stimuli. Second one is the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous connection the central nervous system to the rest of the body. It's include the central nervous system to rest of the body. It's include the nervous and the ganglia located outside the brain and the spinal cord. Next one is the somatic nervous system. The part of the peripheral nervous system control voluntary movements and the transmitted sensory information for the body sensory receptor to the central nervous system. Next one is the autonomical nervous system. The autonomical nervous system is also called as the ANS. It is regulated in involuntary functions such as the heartbeat, digestion, and the respiration. It's the further divided into the sympathetic and the parasympathetic division, which often have opposition effect on these body functions to maintain the balance. The nervous system operated through the nervous cell is called as a neurons, which transmit the electrical and the chemical signals. Nerves consist of the cell bodies, dendrites, and the axons. Uh, Synapses are the junction where neurons communication with each other using the neurotransmitter. The process of the information transmission involves of the following step. First one is the sensory input. Sensory receptors detected stimulant from the external environment or within the body and convert them into the nerve impulses. Next one is the integrations. The CNS process and interpreted sensory information, making decision based on the previous experience and the ongoing physiological status. Third one is the motor output. The CNS sending the command to the muscles, organs, and the glands via motor neuron in the peripheral nervous system, resulting in appropriate response and actions. The nervous system functions are expectively and included the controlling bodily movement, regulating the physiological process, preservations the environment, maintaining homeostasis, and the facilitating coagulation functions like thinking, learning, and memory. It's highly interconnected and the interconnected systems that enable our bodies to interact with the world and adapt to changing the conditions. Thank you. It's all about the nervous system.